Welcome to the video, dude. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Artec Bluetooth light up keyboard. So this actually has 7 different backlights and it has an enchanted mode. So let's see what this is all about. So basically, first things first, comes with a micro USB cable, which probably would work with any kind of micro USB cable. Charging ports on this side. Takes about, I see, 2 hours to charge. So let's get into the review. First things first, we gotta turn it on. We got a power button. Slide that thing, it turns on. Then it actually, one feature that I think is either good or bad, I'm not sure, is that it only lights up when it's connected. So let me just connect it to something really quickly. Okay, so I connected it to my phone, but let me just show you the colors first. So it's already stay connected. I haven't showed you that, so let's turn it on. So we got red here, it has 7 colors. I counted, don't worry. We got red here. Then it's actually green in real life. Then it's actually a yellowish green, purple, turquoise, green, and blue. Now it's in enchanted mode. Let me turn off the lights for this one. Make it look a bit better. Okay, so we got the lights off now. That's gonna make it much better. So basically, enchanted mode makes the keyboard actually get a more strong backlight. So I'm gonna turn this on. Here's again the button. And you didn't really see on this one, but I'll show you where it's most effective. So if you go to in normal mode, the turquoisey stuff looks like this, but in enchanted mode, it looks much brighter and more vibrant. So I'll show you all 7 colors in non-enchanted mode, or enchanted mode now. This one, green, blue, red, turquoise, light turquoise, more vibrant greenish yellow, purple, and teal, and green and blue and red. So that's that. Now let's go to the typing part. So the keyboard is not connected right now, but I'm just gonna, it's right here actually, keyboard. So I'm gonna show you the phone again. Okay, so let's type. I'm gonna show you one feature. As you can see, I already wrote down the video dude is happy that he has 11 subs. Let's just select all button. There's actually an all button on this. Hit that. And then delete or backspace. So next thing is there's the option that pops up the virtual keyboard in case you want to type again. And you can take it back down. Now let's start typing. Okay, I spelled that wrong. Okay, that's not very good. Video dude is happy. He has 11 subs. Okay. So, next thing that I really like about this is the fact that, first of all, one thing is this actually has different features for iOS, Android, and Windows. So that's kind of useful. For instance, the mail icon here isn't actually open up the mail icon in iOS. It opens the Android mail, as far as I'm concerned. And another cool feature is the fact that you can do everything that you can normally do, first of all. And also this has a feature where you can go to the home, or whatever you are right now. Let me just do that. Let me tap here for a second. Okay, let's go out. Because as you can see, that is the home screen. And now let's go back to the actual thing, the actual keyboard. So from last minute thoughts. So this does cost roughly $20, 27 actually. It's Artec Bluetooth wireless keyboard. It It's not laggy. It has very, very, very good charge. I haven't charged this for like actually 3 weeks probably. Also, we have the lights that light up if you have caps lock on, your status, your charge, and your power. Status is actually connecting status. That's not always on. Turns on for like 5 seconds. Turns off again. We got language switcher, which doesn't really work that well on my keyboard, but I don't think I got the right settings on my iPhone right now. But we got some other stuff. We got the command keys. That's useful if you have an iPad, iPhone, iPod, or MacBook. It's pretty small. Let me just put it over here. And, gosh, compare it to something that's everyday item. So let me compare it to a soccer ball. How about that? So it's a good size. You could easily travel with it. It is pretty short. It's actually, I think, a foot long. I'm just going to give you the dimensions so you understand the size of this thing. Yeah, so it's like 9.5 inches. No, 9.25 inches actually. So that's really that. It's a good keyboard. I would recommend it if you kind of are a heavy typer, but you only have an iPad and you don't really like bringing a big bulky laptop around. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Please take a thumbs up and subscribe. And see you next time on the video, dude.